Hey everyone, welcome to my After Effects tutorial. Today, we're going to create a cartoon-style rolling text animation tutorial in After Effects. Open After Effects, go to the Project panel. Create a new composition. Change the comp name to the main render. Preset Custom, width 1920, height 1080. Duration time to 10 seconds longer, and click OK. Today, we're going to work with this folder called Tutorial, and I will give you this free project file link in my description. You can download this project file only on my Patreon website, and make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Now let us start creating a new background. Right-click here to create a new solid. Change the solid name to BG. Make comp size and change the solid color to dark blue. And click OK. Now go to the Effect and Presets. Type CC Vignette. Drag and drop on the solid layer and adjust a few settings. Set angle of view 60. And amount to 105. Now go to the Project panel. Search for the asset called Bad TV. Drag and drop on the main render team line. Now if you don't find this mode, you can toggle switch mode on here. Or otherwise you can right-click here to enable modes. Now set blending modes to the screen. Again, press T to open the opacity. Reduce the opacity amount to 20. Now if you preview this, you can see the Bad TV effect. Now I don't want to disturb this, so I'm going to lock and hide this. Now go to the tab menu, choose the rectangle tool, set the fill option to none, and stroke option to solid color. Change the solid to cyan. And set the stroke amount to 8. Now draw the shape to something like this. Open Rectangle. On Rectangle Path 1, unlink the scale and change the X scale value to 350 and Y scale value to 400. Set roundness to 50. And change the shape layer name and the label color. Now go to the Effects and Presets. Type Turbulent Displace. Drag and drop on the shape layer, again on Effects Presets. Search for the effect called Roughen Edges. Drag and drop on the layer and adjust a few settings. Change turbulent amount to 55 and size to 3. Complexity to 5. Change the evolution to 160 degrees. Now at the Roughen Edges. Change the edge type to Cut. Set the border amount to 11. Edge sharpness 10. Fractal influence to 0.6. Scale amount 150. Stretch width or height amount to 45. Complexity to 1 and evolution to 5 degrees. Now if you preview this, nothing will happen until you give an expression on the evolution. Now at the Turbulent Displace, hold Alt, click to open expression. Now type posterize capital T. Time open and close parenthesis, semicolon, time asterisk 1000. Now if you preview this, it looks like cartoon posterized animation. Now click here on the title, Action, Safe. Go to the menu, select the pen tool, keep as default. Draw the line shape to something like this. And now you can adjust the position. Now copy both effects and paste on the line shape layer. Again, select the layer, change the name, and again press Ctrl or Command D to duplicate the layer. Press R to open the rotation property. Change the rotation amount to 90 degrees. Now open the shape Change the transform scale amount to 87. And you are done. Now let's start creating rolling text animation. Go to the menu. Select the T icon to create text. Type next. I am using CL Crocante font. Set font color to white. And adjust the text size. After that, select the layer. Right-click, create, and mask from text. Now delete the bottom text layer. Press Ctrl or Command D to duplicate the layer 3 times. And make sure to change the layer name as shown. Now open the layer. Contents. Now I am going to keep only the N letter, and then I will delete the other letters. You have to do the same process to other layers also. Now we have separated letters. Again, select all layers, hold Ctrl or Command and click on the pan behind tool double time to bring the anchor points to the middle. Now again, select the N letter. Right-click to pre-compose and change the pre-comp name to N. You have to do the same process to the other pre-comp layers also. Now select all pre-comp layers. Double-click to open all layers. Now go to the N-comp layer. Go to the tab menu and choose Composition Settings. Change the comp width to 150 and height to 160 and click OK and make sure to align the text. You have to do the same process for other pre-comp letters. Bonus tip for composition settings. You can change composition settings to something like this also. Create a new text. Type next. Align the text. Now select the text. Now you can find here on the composition and region of interest. Select and draw a mask to something like this. Again, go to the composition settings. Choose Crop Comp to region of interest. Now the composition is cropped. Now you can select the layer, right-click and pre-compose. And you can drag and drop the pre-comp layer on the timeline. Now go to the main render comp. As you wish, change the label color. Now I will arrange the letters very quickly. After arranging the letters, go to the Effect and Presets. Type Offset. Drag and drop the effect on all pre-comp layers. Now select the N letter comp. Create a keyframe on the Shift center. Go at 1 second, create a keyframe. Again, go at 2 seconds. Create a keyframe. Now come at the middle keyframe. Change the shift amount to something like this. Select all keyframes, press F9 for easy ease, and change the graph value to something like this. If you didn't find the Edit Speed graph, right-click here to enable the Edit Speed graph. Now you have to do the same exact process to the other pre-comp letters also. And after that, select all keyframes, easy ease them, and change the graph value. Let's see what we have done. Hit the spacebar button to preview. Now select the cartoon shape layer, copy the effects, and paste through other layers. Now you can change the fill color as you wish. Again, go to the effects and presets. Type glow. Drag and drop on the layers. Again, copy the glow effect and paste through other layers. Hit the spacebar button to preview. Now again, quickly I will create a text and change the text color to orange, and I will reduce the text size amount to 50. Now I will copy the glow effect and the other two effects that we have created earlier and paste on the text layer. And I will delete the roughened edges. Now right-click to create a new camera, set one node camera, and preset 35mm and click OK. Again, right-click to create a new null object. Change the name null to position. Now press F4 and enable here on the 3D icon. Select the camera and parent to the null object. Now select all layers and activate the 3D. Now select the position null object. Press P to open position. Create a keyframe. Again, press R and Shift P to open position and rotation properties. Now, slightly change the Z rotation to something like this. Create a keyframe on Z rotation. Move the position keyframe at 2 seconds. Now go at the first frame. Change the Z position value to something like 500. Now go at 2 seconds. And change the Z rotation value to 0. Now select all keyframes. Press F9 to easy ease, open Graph Editor, and change the graph value to something like this. Hit the spacebar button to preview. Now finally select the generation text layer. You can give any text animation. I am going to give a typewriter text animation. To do that, search typewriter on the effects and presets. Drag and drop on the layer and adjust a few settings. Hit the spacebar button to preview the entire project. I hope you all enjoyed my After Effects tutorial. Make sure to follow my Patreon page and subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. See you in the next After Effects tutorial. Stay tuned. Thank you.